Hello students, we'll be discussing model paper 2 for Murarji and others. So we'll go one by one. The first question I'll take. So the short form of would have. The right answer will be this one. So we'll just remove this part and put apostrophe, that is punctuation mark. So the next question, the prefix of understand. Prefix means you need to add something over here just before the word, that is misunderstand. The next question, third question, the little age actor called as master. Next question, the plural form of season. You just need to add s here, seasons. The right answer is option B. The synonym of word. Synonym means similar word. Similar, which gives similar meaning of worse. You might have heard worst condition, right? So bad condition, that is bad. Sixth one, the opposite of bottom, that is top. Top, bottom, so top. The past tense of sing, that is sang. The right answer is sang. The next question. So there are example words here. You need to find out the option which gives the complete meaning. Every love children their mother. So this is wrong. Every mother children's love theirs. This is also wrong. There is love every mother children, wrong. The right answer is option B. Every mother love their children. The next question, B. The cat is dash the milk in the bowl. Options, drinking, eating, gulping, bowling. The right answer is the drinking the milk in the bowl. The next question, January 26, Jan 26, we are celebrating which day? That is Republic Day. The right answer is Republic Day. Independence is 15th. So we have a lot of news for you. We need to fill the proper article in this. So answer is option A. Next question, I am the building with number of stories. There is a building and there are lots of story books, right? So that is library. Option is D. Next question, always put your best foot forward. So you need to find out the meaning of this one, statement meaning. That is option C, always have a positive and best thought with good effort. Next question, 14th question, pick out the word which doesn't belong to the group. This is odd man out. This is fruit and this is fruit. This is also fruit, but this is vegetable. Answer is option D. Next question, the word which has the correct punctuation mark. Answer is option C. So here, right? So you need to fill the missing letters here. So it is by looking at this one, you can tell like it's a treatment. Spelling is E-T-E-T, which is the answer. Option C is the answer. This is a treatment, missing letters. 17th question. There dash 6 months in a half year. There are will fill are here. There are 6 months in a half year. So right answer is option B. Next question. We taste dash our tongue. This is with our tongue. Next question, 19th question. The opposite of tall. Tall and short are opposite words. Option is A. And then the radio is a wonderful source of information. You might be listening some news and all, right? It's information. So the right answer is option D. So we'll move to the mathematics section. So we'll go with the first question. How many radius can be drawn into a circle? This is in Kannada. ಒಂದು ವೃತ್ತಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ತ್ರಿಜ್ಯ ಎಳೆಯಬಹುದು? It's a many, so many. I mean, it's infinite. Hello, you can, there is a point right here. You can draw any number of radius. ತ್ರಿಜ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಎಳೆಯಬಹುದು. Next question. Find the odd man out. You need to find out one number which is not belong to this group. This is prime number, this is prime number, this is prime number, this is also prime number, this is prime number, but 12 is not a prime number. So the answer is 12. The missing number you need to find out. So here you need to find out the missing number by looking at these two figures. This is something, take a square of this one, 9, plus take a square of this number, that is 4. 9 plus 4 is 13. So square of this number is 16, plus square of this one is 64. By adding this one, you will get 80. So square of this number is 1, plus square of this number is 25. So the answer is 26 here. Answer is 26. Next question. So you need to multiply and tell the answer. You have to multiply by 5 2s are right, 10. How many points? 3 points and 1 point. There are totally 4 numbers after the point. 1 2 3 4. Here is a point. So the right answer is 0.001 is the right answer. Next question. The measure of a straight angle. Sarala konada alate. So what is the answer here? The answer will be 180. A straight angle will be 180. So this gives 180. Next question. So the fraction form of this one. So 38 by 100. There are 2 points here, right? 2 decimal points. Just below that, you need to put 100. So the right answer is option B. The next question, 7th question, 18:23 corresponding time. You just need to subtract 12 from this. This will be 6, and then 6:23. You need to put PM here. So 6:23 PM. The answer is option B. And then the number of edges in a cuboid. So that is 12. Next question. So you need to subtract this from this. 25 350 minus 15 and then 750. So this is small one, right? You just need to take 1 liter from this one and add, that is, take out 1 liter. This will be 24. 1 liter means 1000 milli. So 1350 milli. So if you subtract 750 from this one, right, this will be 600 milli ml, and then 24 minus 15, that is 9 liter. So the answer is 9 liter 600 ml. Answer is C. Next question. So you need to find out the product of this one. So multiply these two numbers. This is 5. Five sevens are 35. 5 6 are. This is 5 7s are 35. 5 6s are. So 0 0 0. Then next, this is 7. This is 5. This one is 13. Leave one space here. Then this is 0, this is 5, this is 4, this is 3, this is 9. The answer is option A. Next question. A round of 12,654 to nearest 10,000 place. This is the 10,000 place. This is less than 5. The answer will be 10,000. Next question. There is a cloth canvas. So each side will be 15 centimeter, 15 centimeter. So the area would be 15 into 15. Square of 15, 225. The answer is option C. Next question. 15.58 kg. How many grams are there in this one? You just need to multiply by 1000. So 2 decimal points and then another 2 numbers. This is 15.800. The answer, how many grams are there in kg? Yeah, you need to multiply by 1000. The answer will be 1000 one place. So answer will be 15,580. Next question. What is the total, sum of angles in a rectangle? This is 90, this is 90, this is 90 and this is 90. This is totally 360 degree. Answer is option C. You need to do cancel and the lowest form of this one. You just need to cancellation. 9 8 ja, 9 8 ja, 9 9 ja. 9 by 8 is the answer. Next question, 16th question. Which of the following is a set of prime numbers? The prime number set. This is not prime number. These are not prime number. These are not prime number. The set will be B. Next question, 17th question. The answer, if you multiply something with a 0, right? So answer will be 0 only. Option B is the right answer. So how much is the 20% of 200? 20% into 200. 20% means percent will be 100. 2 zeros. This is 40. So the answer is 40. Option D. So this is not properly visible here. Observe the figure and write the ratio of number of shaded squares to total number of squares. So this might be shaded. This one is shaded, this one is shaded, this one and this one. Totally there are 18 squares. Out of that 6 squares are shaded. You need to cancel. 6 ones are 6 these are. So the answer is option B. So next question. How many right angles are there in the given figure? So this means all the sides are equal here. If all the sides are equal, this is a square, right? So there will be 4 right angles in the given figure. Yeah, thank you very much.